Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a poll in your Instagram story. So in order to create a poll, first let's try to create an Instagram story. In order to do this, first click on this plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then once you click here, simply click on the story option. And then you need to add any particular photo, or if you don't want to add any photo, then what you can do is simply click on this camera icon and then choose this a icon at the left corner. Then once you click it, simply choose the story option, and then once that is done, what you can do is simply click on this sticker icon at the top, and then now you can see this option which says poll. So click on this poll button, and now you can ask a question. So you can add any question like, so that's it, how you can add these two options. If you want any other option, then you can simply click on this add another option button, and you can type in the third choice like. So if you want to add more options, you can do similarly. So once you are done setting up all of the options, simply click on this done button at the corner, and you may choose to resize this particular tablet. And then once that is done, simply click on this arrow button at the bottom and click on the share button. Just click on the done button again and wait for the story to upload. And here you can see that the story has been successfully uploaded. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.